is just my luck starting this challenge on the day of my period. I swear to God. I'm currently sitting on the toilet with god awful runs. My belly is spitting bars, speaking in tongues, beatboxing. Oh. In the vast tapestry of existence, being a woman is my proudest thread. With unmatched elegance, we dance on the rage's edge of agility and might, blossoming like roses amongst thorns. While storms rage and the world may tremble, our spirit stands, unyielding, unwavering. At times it feels like a maze is drawn before us, crafting intricate webs, aiming to trip and ensnare. But we rise, navigating with grace, turning obstacles into stepping stones, whether in sky-high hills or comfortable trainers. Our stride, our journey remains unbreakable. Through tears, laughter, or unpredictable visits from our monthly guest, our vigour doesn't waver, for there are deeds to be done, and who better to accomplish them than a woman with a twinkle in her eye and a fire in her stride? Here's to us, the undying flame, the poetic forces, the wonders weaving through the whirlwind of a challenging world. This is the same smoothie I had yesterday, but I put it in a bowl today because yesterday drinking it was so hard, so I thought just eat it will be easier. And I got 2 eggs as well. And honestly, it's a lot. It's actually a lot. I don't know if it's 430 calories, but I added the amounts into the calorie tracker and it said 430, so I'm gonna believe it. It's a really good smoothie though. And I feel like because I'm eating it rather than drinking it, the sliminess isn't getting to me anymore. The cinnamon and the honey really make it taste like a pudding rather than a smoothie. It's a good smoothie. The egg. I just realised I haven't been tracking my water with you guys. This bottle is 2 litres. And this is how much I've drank already. First workout of the day. I was going to record it on my Apple Watch, but it's dead. But the workout is just going to be up these stairs and down them. Up them stairs and down them for 45 minutes. It is hard. It is very hard. I've done it before. Hey Google, set a timer for 45 minutes.
Sure, 45 minutes. Starting now.
Look at the stairs. I'm going to take a 3-minute break. Hey Google, set a 3-minute timer.
Second timer for 3 minutes. Starting now.
Hey Google, how long left on my 45-minute timer?
There's 31 minutes and 47 seconds to go.
I need a break. Look how much I'm sweating. But so far so good. I'm done and I'm dead. Let's stay on my top. Alright guys, I'm tired now. I'll see you guys later.
Feeling a release through the left side of your neck. Then drop your chin down towards your chest. Keep your ribs down towards your hips. Last one. And roll your hips down with control. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5 and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. You have 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. So if things start to burn, you know you are doing it right. Last one. Hold the leg lifted. Let's draw tiny circles. Just tiny little circles, trying to keep everything still. Last few pumps here. And now let's hold our arms still. Exhale, you can reach your arms back and forward as you pulse down and down, just to work our arms a little bit more. Good. Bend your elbows in by your waistline and exhale, press up. Everyone's favorite.
I did have an apple on the way to work because I was so hungry but I didn't actually have time to eat anything, so I packed this. I packed the wrap and a yogurt, and I got this at work. A small little cake. I want a cake, and I feel like if I don't have this cake, I'm gonna binge all the cake. So let me just have the cake. I didn't read 10 pages again. I read 3 more chapters, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes. I read 3 more chapters, and yeah, it's still very good. I don't really have much to say about what I've read today. All I can say is Juniper, the whole lie as a whole that she's concocting with the book, like, the whole lie, the big lie, is a big lie. But it's interesting seeing the process of the lie coming together and all the small little details and changes she's making. And them by themselves, really, they don't really amount to anything. If you hear the 1 or 2 things, kind of like, oh, you can sweep it under the rug. But collectively, they are a big... The tiny little lies are very inconsequential, but the picture they paint, the tiny little lies are very inconsequential, but the picture they paint. And the only other thing I thought whilst reading the next 3 chapters were, it took them 6 months before the release of the book, before it went out to publishing, to think, oh, let's get a sensitivity reader, a Chinese sensitivity reader. You didn't write the book, girly. Like, you're not Chinese, girly. Why didn't you think back when that your book needed to be read by a Chinese sensitivity reader? I had to throw away my dinner because I overestimated my ability to handle spice. I literally just put a lot of sauce on it, thinking that I can handle it. I'm black. I'm a Negro. I can handle it. Absolutely not. This is a white woman's tongue. This is a progress video for educational purposes only. As you can see, this is everything I've eaten today. This is everything that's inside the smoothie, all the pudding that I had for breakfast. This was my lunch today, and this was my dinner and my snack. I apparently only ate 1,673 calories. It didn't feel like that. It actually felt like I ate a lot, but it is what it is. I took 4,567 steps, 2 flights of stairs, which is an absolute bold-faced lie, and 23 minutes worth of Pilates worked out. I ate well and I didn't drink. I drank over 3 litres of water. I read over 10 pages. I done 45 minutes of stairs and a 45-minute Pilates workout, and I took a progress picture. So coming over here, I'm just gonna color this in green for today. 1 day done, 1 day done, 74 left to go.